Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to see what's in the box of the Zhiyun Weebill S gimbal. So I ordered this on the Amazon Prime Day for myself to be balancing and using with my Canon R24-105, which I will do a separate video on how I get the perfect balance using this setup. So let's open the box and see what's inside. First impressions on the packing is pretty good. It seems like nothing's moving, nothing's loose inside, so it must be fairly well packed. Yes, as I thought, it's all inside the case by the looks of it. Let's put the box to one side. The first out of the box is some instructions, extra accessories. There seems to be quite a few accessories that can be bought here for this gimbal. A little white envelope. Let's take a look inside. A guide and a manual for the Weebill S. And a little service card. So this looks like a polystyrene case. Wow, very nice case. Don't think it's lockable. No, looking at it, it doesn't seem to be lockable. So it's not a lockable case, it is just a polystyrene hard case. First impressions, wow, laid out nicely, very secure, nothing's going to be moving about in transit. The first thing out is the batteries, which I think on this gimbal is a good touch. The second bit out is the riser plate. This is to be used with longer or bigger lenses, I believe. Once I get into balancing my Canon R on it, we will see if we need this one. So this piece looks to be the Arctic Swift / Manfrotto dual layer quick release plate, which seems to be very sturdy. Also seems to have a lens support on the other end. The next piece out is the tripod / the handle. Again, very well built, soft grips on the side. With a locking button as well. Pushes a little pin up by the looks of it. This will probably be to lock the tripod handle inside under sling mode. So the next is what looks to be the box of cables. There is a fair few in here. This is nice to see, as it can be used on a wide range of cameras and setups. For the Canon R, we'll be needing the micro USB to the USB-C for our setup. There is also a couple of screws. I believe that will be for the plates, the mounting plates. Next up we have the battery charger. USB-C connector. Next up we have the gimbal that is very secure inside this casing. First thoughts on this, just by feeling it, it feels very sturdy. Everything seems to be locked in place nicely. Nothing seems to be loose or moving. I will do a review on this once I've used it a little bit more. So guys, I'll leave you there on this video and join me on the next one where I'll be balancing my setup, which will be the Canon R to the 24 to 105mm lens. I will also review this product if people are interested in how it performs. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.